Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of chapter 3, lesson 3 for summary. I am repeating, our today's topic is the summary of lesson 3-4 from chapter 3. This is our second lecture and second SW. Students, in our earlier class, that means in lecture 1, we have learned the summary of lesson 1 and 2 from chapter 3, and today we'll learn the summary of lesson 3 and 4. Lesson 3. Title: Proper Arrangement of Interior Furniture. We use different kinds of furniture at home. The comfort and beauty of the environment of a house mostly depend on the arrangement of furniture in their proper place. Too many furniture makes our room less spacious and it doesn't look smart and tidy. So, furniture must be arranged according to the need of the room. While decorating our house with furniture, we need to be careful about the movement of our baby and aged member of our family. We must place our furniture where we can open the doors and windows of the room easily. So, we will follow the principles of art in arranging the furniture. Student, in lesson 3, the summary is: we'll be careful about arranging or decorating the furniture in our room. We'll be careful or cautious about our baby and aged people. We'll keep space while arranging the furniture that the children or aged people can walk easily. Now, lesson 4. Title: Elements of Room Decoration, Curtain and Carpet. We decorate our house with different kinds of elements like curtains, carpet, wall picture, light, and arrangement of flowers. What are the elements? The elements are curtains, carpet, wall picture, light, and arrangement of flowers. The use of doors and windows curtains has an important role. It saves our privacy, protects our room from extreme heat and dust from outside. We need to be careful about the color and texture of our curtains. So, what is the uses of the curtains? It saves our privacy. It protects our room from extreme heat. That means when the weather is very hot, the temperature of our room will be more comfortable than outside if we use curtain and dust from outside. We need to be careful about the color and texture of our curtains. So, we must be careful when using the color of the curtain. The environment of our house can be more graceful by using carpet on floor. An ordinary cement floor or damaged floor can be covered with a carpet. Using carpets of natural fiber is safe for children's walking. So, in this, we come to know that if our floor is damaged or it can be ordinary, then we will use carpet. If we use carpet, our room or house will be beautiful. And if we use the carpet made from natural fiber, it will be safe for our children's walking. Different kinds of paintings and pictures are hung on a wall to increase the beauty of our room. Cloths, thread, color, metal, bottle, sticks of matches also can be used to make wall hangings. A wall hanging becomes more acceptable and appealing to all when history, heritage and culture are expressed. So, we can decorate our house by paintings or pictures, and if we use our painting or picture maintaining history, heritage and culture, it will be amazing. Now come to next point. Without light we cannot live. light has an effect in our body and mind. The arrangement of natural light at home is good for work and useful to health. At night, we use artificial light. It is true that in today's world, we can't think our life without light, and light has an effect in our body and mind. We use daylight while it is daytime, but in the night, we have to use artificial light. The arrangement of our favorite flowers and leaves is a part of interior decoration. The beauty of a room will increase 100 times more if there is a vase with flowers and leaves in the room. Students, think that you have decorated your room with flower vase or leaves. Can you imagine how beautiful or amazing your room will be? Yes. If you decorate like this with flower, you will feel comfortable and your room or house will be more wonderful, amazing, beautiful. That's all for our summary. Hope you have understood. Students, now we'll do some MCQ from Chapter 3. That means lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do. Choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is primary color? The options are orange, red, purple, green. Students, in our earlier class, we have learned about primary color. Can you remember what is primary color? The color which cannot be made from other colors is known as primary color. And there we find three primary colors. They are red, blue, yellow. So what are the primary colors? They are red, blue and yellow. So in our option we find red among red, blue and yellow. So the correct answer will be option B. That means red. Red is the primary color. Now 2. What is the fifth principle of art? Options are emphasis, balance, harmony, rhythm. We learn about the principles of art. There we find 5 principles. Come to lesson 2. We find 5 principles. They are proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm, emphasis. Say with me one more time. Proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm and emphasis. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means fifth one is emphasis. And our question is, what is the fifth principle of art? So definitely it will be emphasis. Now number 3. What is beautiful, simple and attractive? Options are design, art, fashion, model. In lesson 1, we find making home beautiful and attractive is a part of art. I'm repeating again, making home beautiful and attractive is a part of art. So our question is, what is beautiful, simple and attractive? We find the answer. The answer is option B, art. Number 4, which one is needed to increase attention in work at home? Options are expensive furniture, decorated room, proper light and air. Which one is correct? Option A, 1 and 2, B, 2 and 3, C, 1 and 3, D, 1, 2 and 3. The answer will be D. That means 1, 2, 3. All are needed to increase attention in work at home. Now last one, number 5. What line type makes a space look wide? Options are horizontal, vertical, diagonal, zigzag. The answer is horizontal. The answer will be horizontal. Horizontal line type makes a space look wide. Students, I have given your homework 5 knowledge-based questions. Again, I am saying your homework will be 5 knowledge-based questions. Do your homework in your SW copy. Submit your SW copies on every Sunday. Guardians or anyone else from your family can submit these copies and collect these copies on next Sunday. You have to submit your copies because your SBA, CT and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Read the text again and again. Obey your parents. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.